So, just for fun, I'm taking my family and my son's friend William down this dirt road. It's like in the middle of the, look at this here. I don't know if you can see this. It's the middle of the woods. And we're hoping that some kind of an animal will jump out. Maybe a deer, maybe a possum. You know, if someone who looks like Leatherface comes out, then I'm going as fast as this car could possibly go, which is about 160 miles an hour. What's that? Look, it's like look at branches over there. Oh wow, flat. All right, it's okay. It's not that scary. What's that? No, I'm just kidding.
Michael jumped.
What is that?
Look at that. What is that? That's actually someone's house, I think.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Someone
people
lives
live
here?
back here.
Oh, this is not good.
Someone lives here.
Richie.
Look, he's got what is
This
that?
reminds me of that movie.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Oh, yeah.
the damn car. I am so
We just watched some crazy movie the other night that was similar to this. Some crazy that lived in-
Look, this is probably where people come down. I want to tell you.
Yeah. Wow.
thanks, Dad.
It's like the movie Casino, you know what they say in the desert.
I wasn't thinking
Yeah,
that.
Dad, you made me so much better about this.
This is really scary.
Can
You
you
sure we're not gonna go?
drive?
Yeah, Dad.
Are we sure we're not gonna go off a cliff or something?
I don't
Or a
know.
mountain?
I would love to see. Michael, what would you do if you saw someone with Jason's mask? Look, someone actually has a house here. Look,
Stop.
Look.
Go.
look, there's a house.
Wow.
I'm having a
Holy cow, someone actually has a house
You
here.
wanna
That's
live
a
here.
circle.
Look, there's a light on.
Go, Richie.
That is like the real deal Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Right here.
Yeah,
South.
but we're
Look,
not-
let's beep for they'll come out. Look.
No. Stop it, Rick.
Go.
Crazy.
Oh, wait.
You don't honk
Stop.
off
The
the
people
word.
Look.
get pop
Yeah,
up.
Dad, now probably
Look, there's another house. Oh my
Okay,
God, that's
go.
crazy.
This is like a neighborhood?
Yes.
Michael, you afraid?
What is this down here? Are you sure we're not gonna go off a mountain?
I don't know, but it's pretty scary here.
Daytime, you can record all you want, but like at nighttime, this is where it's scary.
Wow.
This is the real deal Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Yeah, that's
Stop
the
saying that.
greatest.
Imagine like,
Don't.
My phone's gonna die.
like you, someone
I will
like
not
live-
sleep tonight.
someone lives out here.
I'm
Like,
gonna
like,
die.
I'm gonna park the car right here. We're gonna go to sleep.
I swear. If a bear comes here,
I'm parking right here, William.
don't come
No.
right.
Okay, that's it.
somebody's coming. I see light.
Really?
Look straight ahead. There's light.
Wait, hold on a second here.
We're safe, guys. There's
we're-
light ahead.
There's a car behind us.
What?
There's someone behind us.
Move
Yeah.
it.
Oh my god.
Oh, actually, you're right. There is someone behind us. That's it. Someone's coming. Someone is behind us. We gotta get the F out of here now.
Yeah, because you honked the horn.
You stupid.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah, it's
They're following us.
Oh my god.
Oh, all right. It's time to go.
No.